Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Muffin Squad. Today, I really need to show you something. Anna dumped me, so I'm gonna go in there right now. And tomorrow, I will make another video with my friend Nina. Because I bet you all like the videos with me and Nina. I will finish her room, and I hope you all have a happy Halloween. I really hope. I really hope. I just want to pet him. Okay. Comment down below. Comment down below if you want me to do another vlog of my guinea pig. If you didn't hear that, another vlog of my guinea pig. And also, he's literally right here with me. And also, I hope everyone has, And also, if you haven't heard of the pumpkin smash, I'm just gonna teleport to that right now. Okay. I hope today everyone did their daily login. I want to do the pumpkin smash. Yeah. Oh, this is 16 minutes. Well, I want to show you guys something. I got my first bet, and guess what? I got a albino bet. Oh my god, it's so cute. And this was literally my first bet. And now I have this. I have this much. That much candy. I'm not like a lot of YouTubers because I'm a starter still. But I can't believe I got an albino bat. Isn't it so cute? Comment down below, Muffin. And comment down your username so I can give you an albino bat. You know I only have one. But can you please give one back? Just please give something back to me. I'm just kidding. It's free. It's free. And also comment down below if you want a rat or a normal triceratops. Or the ride one. Doesn't care. Oh my god, this is so glitchy. Okay, and also, I got one. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this. I got a 3-headed dog, and I named it Big 8. And also, just saying again, like I said in my other video, the pumpkin only stays, wait, till after November 11th? I thought it was 10th. Oh my god. Oh my god. I named it Pump. I don't know why. Short for pumpkin. Well, I hope all of you have a happy Halloween. And yeah, I'll see you muffins. I'll see you muffins next time. Maybe later today or maybe later tomorrow. I will do another vlog of my guinea pig, only if you stayed in the comments. Okay. Remember to put on that bell, hit subscribe, and like the video, and comment down below. Bye, muffins. See you next time.